To remove objects from your photos or pictures on Samsung S25, just start by opening Gallery and pick any photo that you want. You can even do this by using screenshots, for example. So now, click on this icon, then click on the 4 dots, and right now select Object Eraser. Now just wait for some suggestions. If you don't have suggestions, you've got two options. You can tap on any object that you want to remove. So if I want to remove settings, I have to tap on it. Then as you can see here, I can find some suggestion. So let's try to erase. And it doesn't look good. So let's try one more time. Let's unselect this selection. Okay, still it's selecting something like that. So I would like to actually draw around this object and I want to only remove this one. Click erase. And as you can see right now, it is removed. I can also try to tap on the settings button, but as you can see, it's not selecting this one. So I'm going to draw around this one and erase. There we go. And that's how you can do this. You can do this one by one to remove everything that you want. And by clicking here, you can also turn on and off magnetic glass. So it will actually get selection lines, will snap, you draw them onto subjects. And if you finish, you have to click done. And then you have to click save in the right upper corner.